So hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Atiana Renee, and thank you for joining. I decided to create this look on Google, and this is what it looks like. And then this is the struggle look that I did. Just kidding. But I don't have the exact colors because I decided to stay in this palette, and these are the colors that I was working with. But this isn't a collaboration with Lindsay, and I'm going to insert her video clip right now so you guys can see what she did. She's so pretty to me, and she is such a sweet person. Like, we were supposed to do this a while ago, but our timing was just, you know, not correct. Watch this video, enjoy, and recreate, and let me know how it goes. So we're going in with this bright yellow color, and we're putting this right below the brow, kind of like in transition shade, and it's gonna look pretty beautiful, but you just have to keep building it up. If you are a little chocolatey like me, yellow doesn't show up on your skin well, so you have to keep trying, girl. Make sure you hit the brush, tap it off, get your excess off, and keep going in and building. Now we're going in with this orange shade, and that goes right below the yellow, and you need to build it up the same way. Make sure that you get a clean brush and kind of blend those two colors together, but not too much. Next is this beautiful purple, and we're kind of going to put this into the crease, and we're going to like build it up. It's going to look so beautiful, guys. So now I just wanted to add that I deleted the end of the video by accident, so you don't see me putting on my eyeliner, lashes, or nothing, and I'm so sorry. But we're getting this detail brush, and we're still using the purple and just darkening the crease. And you can use the NYX white eyeshadow base to help it pop more, just to cut the crease. Makes the color look even brighter. I mean, at least that's how I feel. A lot of people think that it's a little too dark, or not too dark, but too thick. I don't think so. And now we're going in with this shimmery shade. I had to get into the Zulu palette. Hey girl, get it? Okay. But it didn't have this color, and this is just for the inner corner, and you just kind of just pack it on in there. But so sorry that I didn't get the end. And next we're going in with the yellow, and we're going to put that in the middle and just pack it on into the middle, and make sure you're blending it into the inner corner to blend those two colors together. Now we're just getting the purple that we used, and we're just blending that into the yellow. We're just going to keep blending all the colors back into each other so that they can blend seamlessly together. So now we're using a makeup wipe, sis, and just make sure you do this at an angle. That way it's kind of like a guideline for your eyeliner. And like I said before, I'm so sorry that I deleted the end of the video. I did that by accident, but you can see me like start the process. But this is the end of the video, and thank you so much for watching and being patient.